from the Silky Belt Galaxy. Oops, that's not us. That is. Hi there, I'm Zilly, and welcome to my ship.
Hey Zilly, do we have any more snacks? You didn't tell me we had company.
That's Jett Oberon, my very best friend, and we come from ZillyPlanet. Isn't it beautiful? We go around the entire galaxy to help kids like you learn and play. We are headed to the Agalop moon to study the super element V. We are headed to the Agalop moon to study the super element V.
So, taking on the Agalop moon, are we? Blah, silly girl. Always spouting off about science or math. Worthless babble. I haven't used math in the entire, 11 years I've been alive. And if that little mongrel thinks she's going to bring that nonsense to the Agalop moon, she's got another thing coming. Computer!
Yes, Dr. Vantu.
Track the bombar. I want to be 2 steps behind that Zilly and her rotund friend the entire trip. No one will be getting smarter on my watch. For I am the most brilliant. I am Dr. Vantu!
It's hopeless.
Sweetie, it's almost time for the fair. You ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Aw, don't give up hope. You know it took your father years until his inventions took off. Now look at him.
Uh-oh! Hey, honey, hand me the fire extinguisher!
Coming! It'll all work out, I promise.
Perfect! Right on schedule. In just 2 hours, we'll reach the Agalop moon. Isn't this exciting?
Look, I made it to 3.
Jett, now is not the time. Okay. Actually, that is pretty cool.
Redirecting.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Don't panic. Flashing red lights isn't always a bad thing.
Really?
No, we're doomed!
I've tried everything. I don't know why it won't work. Not now, boy. This is serious. What? Wow!